Welcome everyone to Civil CAD Learning Solutions help videos on the CCLS productivity tools. In this video, I'm going to go over the Relink XREFs app and how that works. Most firms have a set standard of CAD templates they use to kick off a new project. So for example, if I go into this simple little folder here, I have a set templates of base files and sheet files that I can use to kick off a new project. Now, the old method, I could come in here and rename all the CAD files with the new project folder. Or maybe I wanted to rename all these CAD files and becomes a part of a second or third phase of a project. So let's go through one of the processes I do when assigning new project numbers to a new project. Now I can go to the Microsoft Store and download this file called File Renamer. I will go and actually import the CAD files. And so I'm going to go and just point to those files select these files, and I'm going to highlight these files, and then I'm going to go into replace string, and all I'm going to replace is the prefix. That's the 21XXX, and of course this everybody has a different standard of how they name their project files, and I'm going to call this now 505. Alright, I'm going to hit apply, highlight these again, and just hit save, and let's see if it renames our files. As you can see, it has renamed our files. Now I can come in back into my AutoCAD, I can close this file and open up our CCLS tools and then go into the Relink XREFs. Point to that folder. Here's my folder that has those files. The select files dialog box comes up, and here I can select which files I want to relink. Now each one of these base files and sheet files have XREFs attached to them, so I'm going to go ahead and select them all and click OK. And now at the very top, it's asking me what is the file I want to rename or the prefix. Now I want to replace it to 505. This is the new project number. And you can see here it's going through, it says, okay, 21-XXX is now 21-505, and it's going through that whole process. So I'm going to now say apply and watch it go through the process. As you can see. So it's not complete. I'll click OK. And now if I could just go into my project folder that has my CAD files and select any CAD file, I'll go into this pond drawing. So as you can see, there's no XREF issues. If I go into my XREF manager, everything is linked correctly. If I pick another project folder or another project CAD file, and say xutil. There you go. All their XREFs are working. I'll pick one more. Maybe I'll pick a base file. So I'll pick maybe the survey base. And there you go. Everything is working correctly. So this app helps designers relink CAD files when files have been renamed or moved to a different folder. Thank you for watching our videos, and we hope you enjoy using our Civil 3D apps.